Hi, my name is Dev and welcome back to my channel. My next video is going to be on a for loop. Hi, so here's my presentation for a for loop. First I have the table of contents. So for number one, I'm going to be going through what is a for loop. For number two, I'm going to be explaining like when a for loop is kind of used, I guess. And then number three, I have different examples of a for loop like in real life, and then I have questions for number four at the end. So what is a for loop? A for loop is a control flow statement in programming that allows you to execute a block of code repeatedly for a fixed number of time or over a sequence of elements. When is a for loop used? So a for loop is used when an if statement isn't the best fit. And if you're not sure what an if statement is, I have a video for that coming up, so you can just watch that. And then it's also used when you need to run a code for a specific time, like if you know the amount of time that a code needs to be ran for. Or it can also be used when you're not sure exactly how many times that a code needs to run for, because it'll keep going until the condition is met. An example I used that we also talked about in class is the recipe example. So when you're following a recipe with multiple steps, you go through each step one by one until you're completely done with all the steps to prepare the dish. And this is similar to a for loop because it's basically a series of steps that need to be executed, with each alliteration representing a step in the process until the task is complete. So basically, like if you're cooking, you have to cook one thing, or like you have to chop a dish to like help prepare the meal in a way. And then I have questions and y'all can link them below if you have any.